Welcome to C++ tutorials. In this video, I will introduce you to C++. My assumption is you already know C language. I will directly start with a program. Clearly, one can see a lot of new terms and usages deviating from C program. Let us take them. Let us take them up one by one. We'll start with this line. Cout stands for console object. It is an object of a predefined class and directs the string to the standard output. The left shift operator, when used with cout, is called insertion operator and inserts its RHS to the standard output through cout. ENDL, end line, belongs to a category called manipulators. It works in a similar line as /n in C language. Let's go to the next line. Cin. Cin stands for console input. It is also an object of a predefined class and gets the values for data from the standard input device. Right shift operator is known as the extraction operator and extracts the values for data from standard input through Cin. In C++, we make use of cout and cin instead of printf and scanf, which we use in C language. To use this, we include C++ header called iostream.hpp. We don't need to mention the extension of the header file here. Interestingly, we make use of a line using namespace std. Here, using is a directive. It is directing the preprocessor to include the contents of a header file declared in the standard namespace. Namespace, it is a block defining the scope under which programmers can declare structures, functions, constants, and other declarations collectively known as names. std, this is the name given to a predefined namespace that has all the C++ headers enclosed in it. All the files in C++ standard library declare all of its entities within the standard namespace. That is why we include the using namespace std. In the next lecture, we will talk about classes and objects. Thanks for watching this video.